how to upload videos to Google Drive and share them. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to googledrive.com or simply open the official app on your Android or iOS device. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply log in using your Google account. So as you can see, I have my Google account here. Then the next step is to select my drive. So this is very important. Make sure to select my drive, because if you select computers, you're gonna upload and save files on your computers, but not on your drive. So after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply right click, and as you can see here, you have different options. So if you want, you can create a folder. If you want, you can upload a file, or you can select to upload multiple files at the same time. So what you're gonna have to do is simply click on any of these. Then you're gonna have to simply choose your video and click on open. And as you can see now, it's uploading. Now all you have to do is simply wait, and basically after that I'm gonna cancel this upload because it's gonna take some time, and I'm gonna go and let's see. So I'm gonna take this video here, and what you're gonna have to do is simply right click on it and then simply click on share, then click on share again. And then here is very important to choose anyone with the link. Now here you can choose the role, so they can only view. So if you select this, they can only view the video. Here they can add comments, and then here they can be an editor. So basically they can add another video to this folder, or they can basically delete other videos. So after you choose the role, I usually go with the viewer. You can simply copy this link and share with others, and basically they can view the video, they can download the video if they want. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.